Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy. I just made my face up there. Yeah? Okay. Never mind. So today we will actually be, opening eggs, and I got that for my Mega Flyride, pet. Yeah. Sorry guys, for nothing. Also guys, I'll put in a, short little clip. Maybe not. Actually, never mind. But guys, I just kind of wanted to show off my pets and, show them really bigger. And then towards the soon I'll have to start to be like dragon. Oh, there's my dragon. Dragon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what I mean, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's put me in there. Okay, guys, I think I just found this. So we're gonna go. Because I don't want to take care of my pet really that much. That's gonna take care of my pet. So guys, we got one thing, so as soon as I'm walking somewhere, obviously that happens. But hey, it's okay. Thank you guys. Let me just jump right ahead. And I should appear. I'm gonna go in a family. What is it? Yes. Complete family. I'm in a family, guys. And it's not really needed, so yeah. It's gonna, if it's either right, it means it's really yes. Okay guys, sorry I'm not talking. Let's say, what? Say, can you baby sit my pet? Let's say baby. Oops. How are you gonna secure my pet? I'm gonna say I'm recording. BTW guys. BTW guys, I can't read what it says. It says like 13, 3 hours. What? That's weird. Okay. Yeah. It's really I'm gonna say do take care of my pet. Do take care of my pet. Okay, yeah, guys, I am leaving. I'm pulling out my hand, guys. Sit-ups. And I'm gonna get that frost. I'm gonna get that frost, and I'll put it on the side face. Ompity wars. What is it? Who's gonna stream frost? V. Read them. Add frost, guys. Add frost. So add frost. Guys, while I'm doing this, I'm also looking in the chat, but he's not saying anything because I said something. What? Okay. What? Dude, what? A dragon for a pirate penguin? That's not that fair, but I guess you can accept. Wait. Okay, never mind. Pets and babies. We'll watch your pets, babies. For $10, please. Probably. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 100. Karina OMG. Guys, I don't know. I'm just blocking the screen. She eating me so bad. Trading special potions. What special potion? If it's a big head and the other stuff. Say. Oops. Okay. Try. Okay, guys, so it looks like they declined mine, so I'm just going to. No, don't leave, person. Don't leave. I literally just said don't leave. Brother. Chewing frost. Okay. And I want that frost, and what are they chewing? Is that where you put the frost in? No. Oh, guys. Crystals are so flipping tough. Guys, I'm like adding all that I can. They're still not adding it. I'm gonna say. I'm sorry, I don't have a phone. Please put the frost in. I said, please put the frost in. That's over tree. No, you love. Guys, I'm not spelling it. So post squad game. What the should get like free chaffy glue. I'm sorry for the money up here, guys. I don't know if I could give some money. Guys, I will so accept just a unicorn, fly eye, or dragon, any dragon for just a ton. By a ton, I mean like a ton of legendary eggs. I'll accept that. And maybe an entire thing of ride potions. Definitely. Because there's 9 squares, and counting the ones that you don't with rides or flies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it has a fly ride, I'm not counting it. If it only has a ride, I'm counting it. If it only has a fly, I'm counting it. Because it can get a ride or it can get a fly. 1, 2, 3 with. Say, please, frost. Said, please, frost. Guys, Raven, Raven is, so, Guys, I'm just saying some things. So, guys, okay, guys. I'm just really desperate for okay, guys. For concluding today's video, you're going to go to gifts and open the bat box. Maybe once a week we're gonna have a bat box open. I'm closing my eyes. I'm super excited. Ow, man. Okay, guys, it's okay if I just found a bat. It's really funny how it has hard for these. Wait, guys, did you realize anything? Did anyone realize anything? What am I in this room? What do you like first in this room? Guys, if you did not notice it, guys, look on the side of your screen, there's no more pumpkin smash opening up. Guys, we're still gonna go to that place if I can walk there, guys. What? But I think that concludes today's video. If these people don't keep following me, but I think that concludes today's video. Let's see what time it is. So, okay, guys, so have a great rest of your day. Please subscribe and like. If you guys want me to do anything else, I really want to fix the comments. But if you guys want me to do anything else, if you go to the tab, if you go to my channel, click on my channel, hint it has a Roblox avatar. If you go to it and you go to, if you go to there and you go to it, you will see Pumpkin Squad Gaming, and then you go over, it says discussion, go there and go ahead and be free to type, because I type there and I want to see you guys type there too. So, and if you comment there, I'm gonna shout out you, but let's just check and see if anyone's commented there. YouTube, guys, I will come back on. So if you guys go to my channel, yes, just people I follow, please don't judge. I don't know, I'm subscribed to that, but it's just on you. You see, come to here, and you see discussion, click it, and I'm gonna type something in the chat. I'm gonna say, what game do you want me to play next? Question mark. I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but I don't like it. I don't like that one. Okay, guys. So actually, I'm gonna go on a different account and see if you can actually see it. Okay, guys. Once again, I'm gonna go to home and to discussion. I'm on a different account, as you can see. Oh, I can see it, and I'm just gonna write hi in the chat. So, bye, guys. Please also go comment in that chat what you want me to play. I'm not sure how much time I have left. You guys go comment in the chat what you want me to play in the discussion, and that's basically your comment section. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe and go to discussion to see it, and yeah. Let me just pause that. Okay, guys, it's loading and loading and loading. Come on. Whoop. Guys, I'll come back when I got it. Okay, guys, sure, sorry, I can't see it. I only have a couple seconds left, so bye. Make sure you go to discussion, like, subscribe. Bye, Pumpkin Squad. I will see you next video.